Hi guys, it's Sam with Titan. A lot of people ask me, well, I wish they would ask me, what's in my tool bag? So I'm going to show you today. So, got the high-vis Vito tech bag because I lose it a lot. Can't lose it when it's glaring at your face. Start off, a couple screwdrivers, pliers, stuff like that. Let's go through it. First, as my grandpa used to tell me, got your chicken stick. Always important to test. Got my gas leak detection pen. No more soap bubbles for me. Couple different kinds of screwdrivers. Couple Milwaukee squares. Got my Klein, all different sockets. One tool better than 7. Impact ready ratchet screwdriver. Usually sits in my bag or in my pocket. It's my favorite one. My hammer. This guy will get the job done. Standard Husky needle nose, in case you drop something. Although it's not as good as this guy. Drop a screw all the way down the bottom of the heat exchanger, fish it out with this magnet. Side cutters, cutting all those zip ties. Got to make the job look nice and clean. Metal brush, doing any sort of burner cleaning. Got our paintbrush, cleans off a lot of stuck on dirt before we vacuum it off. In case we're doing anything with cutting pipe, little copper cutter here. On the opposite side, got our PVC cutters. Husky. Change the blade out twice a month, cutting too much of it. Field piece, wireless temperature probes. I mean, they do more than temperature, humidity level, stuff like that. These guys must have, not sponsored, could be though. Field piece, think about it. Have a whole kit. All those hard to reach areas. Got my 90. Even detaches in case you need to get in a smaller area, or hook it up to this guy, flexible for any sort of extremely hard to reach places. No job is complete without a level. If it's crooked, you're doing it again. Inspection mirror. Good for checking either hard to reach areas or any of your braze or flare joints. Move on. I have a wide range going down from Husky up to Knipex. Got these flat jaws. By far one of my favorite tools between the large and the small one. Handle just about anything. You don't want to mar up too bad. Same thing, just a couple different sized Knipex Cobra jaws. One more small little flat guy just in case. Approximately 6 foot extension right here, if anyone knows me in sizes. 6 feet right here. Then just a couple different sized ratchet wrenches. Getting out anything between your thermocoupled pilot tubing. Schrader core remover with built-in torque meter on it. Never over torque a Schrader core again. Got our pipe reamer. That way, anytime you're pro pressing or sweating, don't have any lips on there. Got my service valve wrench here, opening and closing those guys. No bag is complete without one zip tie in the bottom, just in case. Move on to my little front pouch here. Have a variety of different things in here, starting off with just a bunch of extra number 2 Phillips bits. Variety of different kinds of razor blades. And goes in this guy right here. Great for taking off any sort of gaskets. Smaller copper cutter for doing anything close. Snubby Klein screwdriver here with all my different attachments. Box of fuses. Anytime you're starting with a low voltage short, always good to have extras of those. Now, a variety of different bits. Between my extra Melco bits, got this guy for doing, this drill bit for doing any sort of small temperature probes, which I have 3 of. So when I lose 1, I still have 2, and when I lose 2, I still have 1. My most lost item, buy 15 a year. Big drill bit, doing combustion. Got my Milwaukee, one of my favorite things, strippers, with built-in guard stopper. Never cut through a wire by accident again. Then I got a couple different kinds of jumpers. 2 that are just standard if I was going to plug them in. I got my alligator jumpers here. Never ever leave them on a furnace. Ask me why. One more extra bit. Then as far as furnace cleanings, got my green pad for cleaning off our flame sensor. Most common call of a no heat is a dirty flame sensor. If you haven't kept up on your furnace cleanings, should be done yearly. Look at that. Yes, that's not mine. Whoops. Then front of my bag here, the workhorse of any service technician. Got my M12 Milwaukee drill. Tape measure. In case you can't eyeball the sizes, sometimes you have to use a tape measure. Might even still get it wrong. Got my handy dandy snake for clearing any small condensate lines. Couple more extensions. Side of my bag. The Blue Monster tape that never comes off. And a roll of electrical tape. Back of my bag. Got a couple things. Got my meter. Probably the single most used item. Lighter. In case you got to relight any standing pilots, mostly on boilers. Got my fun bag of tricks here. Every attachment you may want and or need for your multimeter, between clamps or small picks going in the backside, different kinds of leads. Then I got my thermostat screwdriver kit by Klein. Extra like $5. Instead of having 3 heads, you get like 40. Another field piece guy right here. This is my manometer kit, either for doing static pressure, checking gas valves, anything you can do with Bluetooth, just being able to activate it and look at it from a different room. This is a good one, guys. One extra screw, just in case you drop yours. Oh, that's it. And that is everything I have in my tool bag.